So you're thinking about becoming a Lyft driver, ditching the 9 to 5 and cruising around making bank, right? Let's get real about realistic Lyft earnings. First, let's understand that income is hyper-dependent on location. San Francisco pays way different than a smaller town in Iowa. Research average ride costs and driver demand in while you are city. A simple Google search of Lyft driver earnings your city is a good start. Next, consider the factors that directly affect your take-home pay. Location, time of day or the day of the week, the car you drive, gas prices, and your driving strategies such as working during surge times or high traffic times all add up. Now, let's factor in expenses. Gas, maintenance, insurance, and car payments are huge. Track every expense meticulously. Use an app or spreadsheet to monitor your actual spending. Don't just look at gross earnings. What you see versus what you keep are two very different numbers. The goal is to arrive at the net earning, so take your gross earnings and subtract your expenses for a real picture of profitability. Driving for Lyft can be worth it, but only if you approach it strategically, understand your market, and manage your costs effectively. Don't expect to get rich, but you could make decent supplemental income. Do your research, be smart, and drive safely.